Angels have no gender, but if I ask most of this nation, they would think of angels as female. Because Christians depicted these angels as female, they made statues, painted pictures, and brought this idea into the minds of the people. Some also used terms like the angels of so-and-so in infidels' films, making the people associate them with lovers. Still, in some companies or in advertisements, the infidels still use the name of angel, represented with wings, sometimes with mannequins or singers. They still do it, even the infidels. This, of course, has also spread to Turks and those who pretend to be Muslims. Saying angels are female makes a person an infidel. Those who do not believe in the afterlife give angels a female name. They say it's female. Let it go. Even those who give a female name are said not to believe in the afterlife. Giving a female name is even an act of disbelief. I do not accept that they are female, but I gave them a name. It is Allah who names the angel. You cannot give a name to Allah's angel. That's why masculinity and femininity are not sought in them. They have been kept apart from the genders, and they have been purified to such an extent that it is impossible to even think such a thing about them.